Yeah, I would say very good experience. First of all, thanks for bringing us to the capital of the country. It's always good to be here. And of course, smart manufacturing and digitalization is one of the topics which is very close to my heart. So good to be here, interact with my fellow friends from different industries and see what are they up to and how do we take this forward in our country. So, see, one takeaway would be to learn how different industries are implementing smart manufacturing. I am from automotive, and sometimes we tend to think we are the best. But today, for example, when I heard uh, Mr. Sharma from Dr. Reddy talk about what kind of tools are they implementing and what kind of uh, improvements they are making in the business as a result of AI, it was eye opening for me. That was one. Second is there was a lot of discussion on what is the connection between AI and sustainability. Typically, people think, and I used to think these are two different things, but there was a lot of discussion, a lot of takeaway from how digitalization and AI can help, making companies sustainable as well by bringing the transparency to the surface and knowing where to act upon. So these were the two important takeaways for me.